card for a parking problem.
And 4 in your 23.
Yes, that's 4. I'll get a 28 from one truck when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Here's a line truck, Boyd Lincoln X-ray 985 should come back up past the building.
So you had 2000. Patrick Spalding.
10-4. If you can just put a little note in the log that I'm going to be leaving a note on his vehicle advising him to remove it.
Rockingham 505. 505 entered a vandalism case for Athens, explainant, soon to be ex, slashed her tires and has made threatening comments to her. She's concerned he might return.
Yeah, forgive this at 32.
10-4. You're assigned to a vandalism case in Athens. Did you copy the 505?
Yeah, 4.
445.
And Depot Street, truck boy entry 5.
That was 435.
10-4.
10-4.
You go there, 43 again.
143.
You go with that 43 you had. I didn't hear any, but I'd had jump flag me down.
10-4, I just wanted to know if you should be put back 76 to Cabana Circle or to the subject's address.
Yeah, I'll be 23 back on that town property case, and I'll be 76 to the Williams Road address to see if I can find the owner.
10-4. 449, 1120.
And 449, 1121, thank you.
10-4.
Code 4. 4.
Rockingham 535.
Yeah, that's great college.
535.
Should be. Got no for a woman who walked into a house. I'll slide up that way.
Caller has now been able to close the front door. She's now pounding on the door, trying to get in still. About 5 foot, long dark hair, got tie-dye shirt on, and number 21 is also the person on the right.
Yeah, 4. KCF-15, testing simulcast.
Excellent, that's all set waiting for you.
Rocky EMS 147.
Go ahead, Ross.
720.
21. Thank you.
10-4. Rocky EMS 147. 1120. 10-4.
Sorry, no transport. You're returning in service. 2122. One thing, sir. 1042.
What?
Tommy on phone call on River Street. Looks fine. Springfield dispatch. A1's clear, seeing no transport. We're in service. You're fine. Machine 1721, KCF-15. You two returning in service 1724. Signal command. Patient 1725. K1. 1726. Right.
501.
506 by Sunburst, 76 Southern City with 1.
501, 10-4. 142. I'm going to call Bella Falls and advise them of you also.
Rockingham.
7-3.
42.
10-4.
Turning 2483, go ahead. Complaint for this bicycle last night. I saw by Edward Jones. He seemed to be bicycling just fine.
Apparently when the motorists were having contact with him, he was up on Black River Produce, guiding in and out of the roadway. Being a real pain in the ass to himself.
10 more, looking around, see if I have any contact.
is contact them in the area of Edward Jones.
10-4. It is the 2. I'm not sure if their mom wants to come get them or if 11 wants to. I don't have room for both in my car.
What's in line? Well, we're specifically on River Street, where someone was coming in.
They're right here next to the cruiser. Right after the footbridge on across from 100. Just around the corner.
I just tried to give you a 21. If when you get a chance, just let me know and I'll call you. I've got to run some case tests here.
In the mobile, you're riding in a Toyota Corolla from Ray.
George 530 identified the operator as Ray. He has picked up the 2 females. Back from it.
Marion is prepared to copy a BOL. BOL described as a gold Toyota small vehicle. Was traveling 91 southbound, got off at exit 8. The plate does not come back to that vehicle. Back in a 97 Jeep Wrangler, white. Again, it was 91 southbound, a gold Toyota small car. Erratic operation. Vehicle has since gotten off at exit 8, and the complaint has continued on into VOL.